Top 11 Green Smoothie Recipes for Weight Loss. Find these delectable and solid green smoothie recipes that can assist you with getting fitter in a matter of seconds. Looking for a tasty and effective way to shed those extra pounds? Look no further than these top-notch green smoothie recipes for weight loss. Packed with nutritious ingredients like spinach, kale, and avocado, these smoothies are not only delicious but also great for boosting your metabolism and keeping you full and satisfied. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast on the go or a refreshing post-workout snack, these recipes will become a staple in your healthy living routine. So why wait? Start blending and enjoying these tasty smoothies today. In every case, I've genuinely cherished smoothies. They're new, sweet, and loaded with fixings that help fuel and detox your body. Obviously, there are a few smoothies that aren't solid. You know, the ones made with sugar-loaded juices, chocolate syrup, or non-natural peanut butter. However, when you're mindful of what goes into your smoothies, they can be an extraordinary wellspring of energy and detoxification. This is particularly valid for green smoothie recipes. Throughout the course of recent years, green smoothies have exploded in fame because of their astounding purging and medical advantages, and indeed, there is genuine truth behind the green smoothie frenzy. I like to have a green smoothie no less than 1 time per week, however, daily is best. It's a fast method for stacking up on your greens without consistently scarfing down broccoli and kale during supper. Many of us don't eat as much greens as we ought to, and smoothies are an extraordinary method for curing this quickly. You might mix up a bunch toward the start of the week to store in the cooler. The mix will last you a couple of days, and it's so natural to carry it with you before work or on the way to the exercise center. Green smoothies can likewise support weight reduction. How do you inquire? There are key green fixings that detox your body, encourage you, and all advance a better way of life. I'll separate them for you below. 1. Matcha. A teaspoon of matcha supports your energy similarly to a mug of coffee and is stacked with antioxidants. It likewise accelerates your digestion and truly flushes your framework for a sound detox. Simply add a scoop to your number 1 smoothie recipe in the first part of the day and receive all the great rewards. 2. Avocado. These solid, fat-consuming recipes offer an incredible dinner substitution choice when you're in a hurry and can likewise commend different purges as you attempt to detox your body to get the guts of your fantasies. It's astonishing what a blender, a tub of Greek yogurt, and a couple of cleaning eating fixings can accomplish for your waistline. 3. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are another ingredient I add to my smoothies in general. They're similar to this tiny super seed that has, as of late, bloomed in the wellness scene with countless astonishing advantages. Chia seeds are dull, so adding them to your smoothie doesn't make a big deal about a taste distinction. They're also high in cancer prevention agents, as well as protein and fiber, which both have been found to help with weight reduction. 4. Spinach banana smoothie. Blend 2 cups of spinach, 1 banana, 1 cup of almond milk, and 1 scoop of protein powder for a delicious and nutritious smoothie. 5. Pineapple cucumber smoothie. Mix 1 cup of pineapple, 1 cup of cucumber, 1 cup of coconut water, and 1 teaspoon of chia seeds for a refreshing and hydrating smoothie. Mix 1 cup of pineapple, 1 cup of cucumber, 1 cup of coconut water, and 1 teaspoon of chia seeds for a refreshing and hydrating smoothie. 6. Berry and beet smoothie. Mix 1 cup of beet, 1 cup of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of flax seed. For a sweet and earthy smoothie. 7. Mango spinach. Combine 1 cup of mango, 2 cups of spinach, 1 cup of coconut water, and 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder for a tropical and energizing smoothie. 8. Apple and celery. Mix 1 apple, 1 stalk of celery, 1 cup of almond milk, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon for a refreshing and detoxifying smoothie. 9. Peach ginger. Blend 1 cup of peaches, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 cup of coconut milk, and 1 teaspoon of honey for a spicy and sweet smoothie. 10. Blueberry almond. Combine 1 cup of blueberries, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, 1 cup of almond milk, and 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder for a creamy and fruity smoothie. 11. Orange carrot. Orange carrot smoothie. Combine 1 orange, 1 carrot, 1 cup of almond milk, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric for a bright and immune-boosting smoothie. Summary. This recipe combines matcha, avocado, chia seeds, spinach, and banana to create a nutrient-dense, high-fiber beverage. It is loaded with healthy fats, plant-based proteins, and antioxidants to ensure a balanced diet. Additionally, pineapple and cucumber are added to the mix for hydration and antioxidant support. Finally, mango and spinach are added for a tropical twist on a traditional recipe, providing vitamin C and iron. If you are looking for a low-calorie option, apples and celery are a great choice. Celery is packed with fiber, while apples are packed with vitamin C+. The calming blend of ginger helps fight bloating with its anti-inflammatory properties. Blueberries and almonds are great for your heart, they have heart-healthy fats and antioxidants that help fight belly fat. Oranges and carrots are great for your immune system, they also help flush out extra waste with vitamins A and C. A combination of plant-based protein, fiber, and healthy fat, kale, banana, almond butter, strawberry, spinach, and Greek yogurt creates a creamy smoothie that is packed with protein and provides sustainable energy. Pineapple, kale, and coconut water add a refreshing tropical twist to hydrate and stimulate fat burning. These recipes for green smoothies use whole foods that are packed with nutrients to help you lose weight by making you feel fuller, boosting your metabolism, and getting rid of toxins when you eat them as part of a healthy diet.